Could you get my flip-flops too, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
It's Shota. Why are you laughing? He's embarrassed. It's been a long time to talk to camera.
Yeah, it's been too long.
That's why. Yeah.
Mm.
So today where are we going?
Gold Coast, right? Some surface paradise?
I think so. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes.
What do you mean you think so? Yeah, surface paradise.
Yes, I booked a hotel.
Mm.
And then there's the ocean view.
Mm. And they said we might see fireworks?
Yeah. I hope so.
I hope so too. It's looking pretty cloudy, so maybe it won't be a great view, but we'll see.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, see you there.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay. We're going now. 行ってきまーす。Okay. We arrived. Ooh, 2009.
Ooh.
Okay,
Oh, do you want me to film?
you can film.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see the ocean view from here.
Mmm.
Can I open this? Okay.
Hang on, I can't. Oh, see? It's beautiful. You can see. Oh, it's too far.
I just smell steak.
Oh, you can smell steak? And we can see. How good is your camera? Can we zoom in on those people?
Yes.
Oh, look.
Don't zoom out.
Okay, they're learning how to surf. So this is our view from our room. It's very, very nice.
Yes.
We have, oh, I wonder, oh look, and you can see like very clearly horizon and this boat.
Yeah.
See, cute little boat. And then it has really nice view. They said tonight there should be fireworks, but it's pretty cloudy, so we'll see what happens. And there's Shelter.
Yes. And lots of cars.
Yeah, traffic was terrible today.
Yeah. Okay.
It's nice though. We're so high up though. It's a little bit scary. See?
Level 20.
Level 20, so we can like look down into other people's buildings.
No.
It's too high up, it's a little scary. Alright, should we go back inside?
Yes.
Oh, I felt dizzy. This is bedroom.
It's nice.
It's nice. You can do dramatic. Oh, another nice view. We can see the water and the beach.
It's amazing.
And these people taking photo at the beach. Can you see them? They're posing.
I don't know. So?
You come here. We can
What?
do this one and say, we arrived.
We arrived. Swimming pool should be cold
It
now.
might be warm, but I think it's cold.
It's cloudy.
Nice.
It's cold, chilly. What?
Relaxing.
It's relaxing. A little bit windy. The beach over there. There's one in Australia. You can see supermarket car on the road. The same one. Why always Jubilee walkway?
Because it's always the same walkway.
So where should we go?
I don't know. Do you want to look at time zone? Okay.
It's game center. Where should we go?
We can have a look. I like this time zone.
Explore.
Yes. But here, this is the worst place. We'll go upstairs now and see what we can find.
Okay. Okay.
We're gonna get dinner. It's early, but it's busy.
Yeah, it's 4 o'clock.
4:30 now, I think.
4:30.
Yeah, about 4:30.
Yes.
Which is early for dinner, but we'll see if we can get a table quickly or not.
Okay. So
We came back.
we had dinner.
Yes, it was yummy and spicy.
Yeah.
So I had to eat ice cream after. Coconut flavor.
Yes.
It was yummy. And now we're waiting for the fireworks to start outside.
Yes.
We're gonna see if we can see the fireworks from our balcony.
Yes.
It's starting, it's starting.
So, what? We watched fireworks
Yes.
3 times.
3 fireworks shows. One from Sweden, one from Germany, one from Australia. They were really good.
It was good.
And we had a nice oh, my chicken was so spicy.
My steak was yummy.
And my chicken was spicy, but I should have just gone steak. My chicken was yummy, I mean. And tomorrow we'll have a nice breakfast.
Maybe.
Definitely. And yeah.
We just had a shower.
Yeah. Oh, and the markets at the event were nice too. And yeah, it'll be a relaxing day tomorrow. I might have to do some work when we get home, but that's okay.
Yes. And I just realized
What?
if we booked the other hotel, we couldn't see fireworks.
What?
Now I was gonna book more other side of beach,
But
they were fully booked, so I couldn't book.
We're very lucky to have this room.
Yeah.
Very lucky.
Because we didn't know fireworks.
Yeah, we had
show.
no idea until you booked and she said, "Oh, you'll have a nice view of the fireworks from your room." And you're like, "What is she talking about?"
Yeah.
So it was a nice surprise.
We were lucky.
Yeah, maybe we'll come back next year.
Maybe. Because they said they will do fireworks show again.
Maybe 2 different countries next year. Maybe Japan will come next year. That would be good.
Maybe.
Yeah, it was good day.
Yeah.
Relaxing day. Well, not relaxing, but good day.
So we're going to sleep?
Yes, absolutely.
And relax, yeah.
Are you going to wake up early?
Maybe, if I can.
I will not be waking up early.
I'll try to record sunrise. If it's possible.
If it's possible, it'll be at the end of the video.
I don't know the sign is coming up from the side.
Well, I don't know either. We can check.
So.
Anyway. Matane.
If you like this video, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Okay,
bye-bye.
Good night.
Night. Shh, do we need to do this?
No. Okay. おはようございます。来ました。